Oh, what up, fam? It's your boy LSK, aka Super Saiyan Drizzy. We back with another bubble vlog, and you guys already know JaVale McGee. We gotta play some catch up. Episode 11, a dub and a bub. I like that. Yo, JaVale, you can make beats.
We've
and
waited
you got
a long
bars
time
and the title,
for
a dub
the
and a bub.
of play in the NBA.
Oh, this is
We've
cinematic.
Got a killer
Hold on.
matchup right out of the gate. The Lakers and Clippers.
Hold on.
All
Oh,
four of their
LeBron.
meetings have felt like playoff games.
This is a big game today for both teams.
Oh,
so
shit.
Wanna, get off on the right foot and start getting back to the winning column.
Bro,
Chances are they
JaVale,
will
your
meet again.
quality is
Most
going
people
up,
believe,
fam.
and I know you do.
It really
they'll
is.
meet in
I
the
like
Western
it.
Conference Finals. The center for the Lakers is JaVale McGee.
JaVale McGee. Yeah. Hey.
Back and Paul George in on the left.
Oh, Clips. The Clippers.
Gives it up to
Oh, give that.
right side to LeBron.
Oh, yeah, LeBron. Oh, that's light. Oh, with the JaVale always got that double clutch.
In tied at 101.
Oh, LeBron. Bro, he looked like he got Air Maxes on.
No good. Got his own
Oh, he got his rebound. Out of nowhere.
103-101 Lakers.
Wait, what happened?
Clippers.
Oh, he got the ball.
Brings it into Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi one-on-one with
Oh, LeBron with the
Kawhi
clamps.
still dribbling.
Hey.
Kawhi dribbles into the paint.
Hey.
Kawhi steps
Clamps.
back. The Lakers have
Who
Paul
said LeBron
George.
don't play
George
D?
is out near half
And on
court.
George.
2 seconds
Oh,
left.
yeah.
1 second left.
Oh, yeah,
Three
there's
for the
no
win.
buzzers here.
And
Yes,
no
sir.
good. Was a foul.
Clamps.
No.
No
And
foul.
the
Come on.
Lakers
What
win
the?
it. 103,
There ain't no foul.
101.
Hey.
I'm a hammer like Thor.
Yeah. It's copyright. I gotta mute. Skirt. Yeah.
Don't never forget that we gotta get COVID tests every day.
Quick nasal.
Every day.
Come on.
Judy, I'm doing it now. Judy. Calm
Judy.
down. Calm down, Judy.
Judy.
Ladies. Hello.
You ready for eat? JaVale, why are you so happy to get your fucking quick nasal? Look at Kuz
Hopping in here.
skipping. Scoot. Man, Kuz look like he skip around places.
What is that red stuff?
Preservative.
Preservative. Why do they have to go in the mouth? I thought it was just
GMO-free over
nasal.
here, you know what I'm saying?
GMO?
The stuff to make your snot go bad.
Oh, bad snot stuff. Thank you very much.
You have a wonderful afternoon.
You have a wonderful afternoon. Hey, Kuz. Don't
Hey,
be late.
Kuz.
How about that? Skip. Judy! I got it done, Judy.
Bro, I need some cameos. We get LeBron today, boys.
Oh my goodness, Judy. Thank
Actually,
you
I
so
need
much.
who's not usually in the
See what food we
vlogs?
got
I feel like
today.
Kuzma should be in the vlogs more.
Got like a private chef now. Well, not technically, but a chef.
Oh, we got a chef?
that delivers food. So today they said they made me a special.
Yeah, because your
vegan
food be
jambalaya.
your food be
I
ash,
love
JaVale.
like southern food and stuff like that. Jambalaya, etouffees,
Ooh,
gumbos.
etouffee. That shrimp etouffee. See, every time I go to
How good
Louisiana,
this food is, you know what I'm saying?
I don't leave without some
We got top
etouffee.
secret team eating that too.
And now
so.
it's like the gator too. Last time I was there, I had some gator. Cash put me onto the gator.
Denny!
JaVale show. The JaVale show.
Daniel, okay, hey. How y'all feel about that dub yesterday? We got the first dub in the bud.
First dub in the bub. Hold up.
Hey.
It was ugly, but I'll take it.
You gonna test it too?
Hey man, speak for yourself, Danny.
like,
That was just you.
You know, a nigga like me gonna figure it
That
out.
boy like 0 for 8. My bad, guys. It's kind of loud.
I got a golden ticket. You got a golden ticket.
You got a golden meal. Is that a rice in a mason jar? And fruit? What y'all vegans be eating? Rice and fruit?
Yeah.
Am I tripping, guys? I'm sorry if I got that wrong. I know I be getting shit
What's
wrong.
going on? We eating good out here. in
We
these
eating
streets.
good, finally.
Yeah, top secret
We eating
meat.
fucking
You know how
frozen
top secret
fake
meetings
meat
go.
in the previous vlogs. Hey, top secret.
Shh. Danny.
We got Jared,
Top
Danny.
secret meeting going down.
We got Morris.
Can't let
I don't
nobody
know which
what's
Morris
going
that
on.
is, but it's Morris. He got Crocs on. Top secret. No, just leave
Dwight.
the camera on.
What is this?
JR.
But what is it?
Oh, we got
Like a
film.
Top secret film.
This swole ass.
He said, we got some.
Hey, I see where KSI got his haircut
G13
from.
classified. You know what I'm saying? I'll say one thing about the bubble. They chose a beautiful location.
Oh yeah.
It's always hot. It rains sometimes, but
Sometimes every other bubble vlog they can't do shit because of the rain, bro. Either these people are picking the wrong days, which makes sense because it's their off day and it just happens to be unlucky.
A dub after a dub in the bub. Our first dub in the bub.
Dude, the shock treatment. Oh, a dub in the bub. That's his title.
Yes. Don't steal my shit.
Hey, I'm about to say that. He got a dub in the bub.
Stacy.
I'm just playing JaVale. You got that.
Hi.
Oh, Stacy. Oh, she not having it. Bro, I'm trying to see some shock treatment, not these massages.
Some pain. Nina.
You about to do something active today,
Yes, I'm going to the game at 9.
Oh.
Houston and I forgot who they play.
Dallas?
I'm going to that one. You're.
Oh, that's a good
more
game.
than welcome to join.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. He said, yeah, about that.
Yeah, no thanks.
I'm gonna take my nap. Oh, he's got Spanish.
Yes,
Oh.
Truly
Oh,
understand.
habla inglés.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Hey, muy bien, muy bien.
Finally know something.
Feliz Navidad.
What is nighttime? Buenas noches?
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
That's good
And then
night.
morning?
Quesadilla.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Welcome to Spanish class with JaVale.
Hey. Hey, JaVale goofy today. I like it.
Hola, Stacy.
definitely
Como está?
Hey, we got Dave and we got Stacy, the goats of the bubble.
Trabajar.
They bring the vibrations, bro. They bring the vibes up.
Mi amigos Danny's El Lego.
El Lego.
Wow.
I don't know about that one.
You guys had no idea I was trilingual. I'll try any language.
Hey, I see what he did there. Oh, a chiropractor. Bro, I miss going to the chiropractor, bro, but COVID got me shook.
It's nothing really crazy to tell the truth. I just
How is it-
really just want like my back cracked. Yeah, everything, the whole kit and caboodle.
How is this 7-foot giant? I know I'm tall, guys, but he's way taller.
So I'm gonna start
And
at your
bigger.
toes and just work my
How
way
are they
up.
gonna crack this dude? Oh, she's strong. You could tell. Look at how vascular your arms are. Flexible. Oh, flexible, JaVale. Damn. Pause.
Stacy, say you're welcome.
I know.
Is that why they're also jealous of
Light
me?
feet.
I'm kind of picking up on that.
Basically, people just don't understand how it can be a triple threat.
A triple threat. Look at all this ruckus, man.
Somebody's gonna do it.
Another week of pina coladas. Why it should be 100%.
Guys. Why is everybody getting so riled up right now? Should we do
Oh, shit.
or wait until after?
After me, because I can't set up the table.
Ooh. Oh, I heard that. Oh, the neck crack. Ooh, shit. I always get scared of those neck cracks because it. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh. I know that felt good, bro.
I'm gonna try and move this little thing.
How the hell is she gonna crack that?
Reach around you.
Oh no, she about to. Is she about to roll? Knees up? No, she's not.
I'm gonna
Oh my god. Is she about to roll back?
gonna be back and up.
Oh, she's rolling back. Oh! Oh, I know that felt good, bro.
That was fire.
I know that felt good.
Right?
Bro, I'm so jealous. That was impressive, bro.
I'm glad I got that on camera.
Yeah, dude, that was actually impressive as hell.
Hey guys, this is the most infamous machine that I hate with all my life. We call it
This
the
is something I really love.
and she loves it because it is not delightful for me. And
Bro.
like I said, and here it goes. You'll see why, guys. You will. Okay.
Oh wait, he is doing the shock shit.
Turn it on.
Oh
I'm
no.
terrified.
You ready?
No, is he? Is this his first?
Are you
How
ready?
long
Wait,
I
this
gotta do?
shit is
1500? I
painful?
gotta go all the way to 1500 SW waves. Oh, right here.
This is
stop right here.
painful? I mean, it looks painful. I thought they were capping.
Go.
Oh! Dude, what?
Oh, we can't start right there. We can't start right there.
At least do a version.
Let's start on top. Start on top. It don't hurt as bad on top at first. Okay.
Oh, JaVale.
Oh my goodness. Bro, no.
Bro.
No, bro. Ah!
Ah!
I don't understand, man. You electrocuted me and supposed to help me?
Dude, I can't. If he's actually in pain, bro. This
You'll
is.
thank me tomorrow.
Look at her smiling.
Yeah, you enjoy this. Like, you
Look at her. She like it.
Ah. You smiling behind your mask. Like, I can see your smile.
And this is why it's my favorite machine.
Bro, Nina, you crazy. He's only on 300. He's got to go to 15. He's crying. Bro, I want to try this, bro.
Does it say 1500?
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, is he?
What are you doing? What does that mean that you turn up the
She
MJ,
turned it up.
Michael Jordans? You put it on.
She
22
turned it
Michael
up.
Jordans? Yep. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
This is the behind the scenes that you don't see. NBA TV and all that, they just gonna show you us playing basketball, having a great time.
Nah, that shock treatment hit different, huh,
Show
JaVale?
you the pain you have to endure every day.
I wonder how the aftershock is though, like how you feel afterwards.
600? No.
He's not even halfway.
This is cap. This is so much cap. I've never been a part of so much cap in my life. I'm surprised y'all don't
Sponsored
work
by
anywhere.
Uber.
How much cap going on right now?
Are you ready, Sunshine?
Just
Just say what I
stay
said.
off that side. Like, there's no
Are
necessary.
you ready, Sunshine?
Just this side, not necessary. Okay. Go.
He's like, "Are you done crying?"
Positive?
Hope not. Be positive. He out the bubble.
I got that Arthur fish.
That was funny.
Y'all know that meme of
Oh
Arthur
my
fish?
God, he's putting out the memes. JaVale bringing out memes in the vlog.
Nope, no, not.
Bro, how long is he gonna get shocked? Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. I'm headed to
The game.
Houston, Dallas, I think it is. So
Oh, we get to see Luca.
my guy Dwight.
Jay, I wonder if he's gonna like say what's up to the players. Cover your nose, Dwight. Damn.
You going to the game? This is something crazy. I never been to somebody else's basketball game.
I don't think I have. Well, I have, but I was.
Bro, why does
not gonna
Dwight
play,
talk
so I
like
was
he
playing,
just
man.
he just like
Like, but I ain't never during the season did
a fucking caveman or something? Dwight never been to a basketball game.
Should we cheer?
I don't. He must be. I know he's not shy. Like
Do we?
he just goofy, bro.
Is it wrong? if
These
we
big
clap?
old
Is it a good play?
goofballs, man.
Nah, I don't think it's wrong.
Speaking of goofy, there's Mickey. What's going on with your mic, bro? Your mic got a mask on, JaVale? It's fucking up my ears. Should sound
First
weird.
NBA bubble game as a fan.
Hey, yeah, hey. Ooh, ooh. Okay, yeah. JaVale, you make this? I need some beats, bro. Oh, he got the UGG slippers. Bro, NBA players be having... I gotta order some, bro. I gotta see what the hype about. Guys, I bet you appreciate the subtitles because I be talking. Bro, Dwight,
Your AirPods.
he gotta get an iPad because the iPhone's too small. Ooh, those scores. Portland beat Memphis. Oh, James Harden. Westbrook, PJ. Oh, the Mavericks coming out. Where's Luca? Luca? KP? No Luca? Oh, we missed
And that
it.
should do it. The Houston
Yo! 153 to
Rockets register their
149.
41st win of the season.
Bro, that's like an all-star game. What the
Just
hell?
left the game. It was a crazy experience.
Put your mask
It
on.
was real crazy. Being behind the walls, yeah.
JaVale, like, I mean, Dwight feel like you look like you don't want to be on camera.
Cool day. We got game tomorrow.
Game day, lock in.
Some rest.
Yes, sir.
And we'll be all right. I'll let y'all later.
Hey, that was a fire vlog, man. Hey, make sure you guys go check out my last reaction, the bubble vlog reacting. I don't care about the views, guys. I know I like reacting to this shit. I'm just going to post videos that I generally just want to watch, and then you guys just see how I react to it. And I'm loving this shit. I'm loving this channel. I'm loving you guys for the support. It's been crazy. I'm going to go crazy twice a day, every day. Hopefully I can go the rest of the year. I'm almost at a whole month. I'm almost at a whole month. So anyways, until next time, peace, guys.